Say goodbye to the clutter of like posts on Threads. Follow this quick step to unlike the like post, but first make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to unlike the like post on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Threads app on your screen. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens your Thread profile. Tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile. From the menu, select the Liked option. In the Like Post section, you will see all the posts you have previously liked. Scroll through the list to find the post you want to unlike. Finally, tap the heart icon on any post to remove the like. So this is how to unlike the like post on Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.